Period. Hey guys, welcome back to more of Maniaya. Today we'll be doing a cooking tutorial and I'll be making turkey wings and mac and cheese. I was supposed to be making a veggie, but we gonna see because I don't really feel like doing all that. Rinse them off. And pat dry. So first, I'm going to coat the chicken in olive oil. I'm just gonna pour in a little thing, take this little brush, and just make sure that the chicken, well, the turkey has olive oil on it, and I'm just gonna spread it on. This is so the seasoning can stick. First, I'm gonna go in with my Sazon, however y'all pronounce it. Sazon, whatever. And then a little garlic powder. A little total seasoning. Flip the chicken, do the same thing again. Of water. 45 minutes. Let it sit in there. Now I'm gonna start the mac and cheese, which is my aunt's recipe. So I'll be following her recipe that I wrote down. First, I'm going to cook the noodles. 1 box of elbow noodles in a pot. And she always says to make sure you don't cook the noodles too all the way, because it still has to go in the oven, so it's still gonna cook more. Open. Oh, make sure y'all put some salt in your water, because you don't want your noodles to stick. You don't want your noodles to stick. And then add a little bit of oil. That's about it. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of oil. I do a capful. Just to let that cook. And make sure you cut your cheese into little blocks. This cheese hard. And if it's not a block, just make it as small as possible. Little blocks like that. Okay, take your noodles, pour it in a pan. I did 1 box of noodles, remember, 1 box of noodles. Once you do that, you are going to then add your milk and your egg. Then you are going to add milk and your cheeses. So, take your cheeses, add that in there. The water that you used for your noodles is gonna melt your cheese. The block cheese. Well, all your cheeses, to be honest. Okay, so extra sharp first. Sharp cheddar, bag cheese. You're gonna do 4 cups of this one. Actually, no. It's 2 cups of this one. So. And you don't have to really use a measuring cup. I'm just using it because I like to be exact. So. Then you're gonna do 2 cups of mao. Then you are going to do Kobe Mont Jack. Now we're just gonna do a cup of milk, because she didn't say how much milk, so we're gonna do a cup of milk for now. And we're just gonna pour this. over it. Actually, let's do 2 cups. Yeah. Then we're gonna add some of this hot water. Let's do a cup. But it's hot water to melt everything down. And let's mix this up first. Add all that cheese. Trust me, you'll thank me later. Add a little bit more of this to melt that cheese. Some salt and pepper. Take a half a stick of salted butter. So cut it right in half and melt it. Okay, take your melted butter. Pour it on top. You're usually supposed to put it on the noodles, but I forgot, so I put it on top. So, get your greens and your can opener. My little broken nails. There we go. Okay. Like 5. Extra in this house, so we have this thing so that you won't be putting like things that come off the stove or out the oven on our countertop. All right, so everything is done. I'm gonna let the mac and cheese sit out a little bit so that it can harden, so that way when we're trying to scoop it out, it won't be falling apart. Then I'm gonna make everybody's plate in the house. I'm gonna go around asking them to rate it from on the scale of 1 to 10. Then I'm going to eat and enjoy this lovely dinner that I just slaved across the stove to make. And that's gonna be that. But don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, turn the bell notifications on so that you guys can get an alert every time I post, because I'm going to keep posting and it'll be great for you guys to get that alert. Don't forget to share this video and make sure you subscribe. If you haven't already, go ahead and click that subscribe button. And you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Let me know if you guys want me to cook other things, because I definitely am going to try to do this a little more. But other than that, that's it.
I got to eat macaroni and cheese.
Okay, and what do you rate it on a scale of 1 to 10?
10.
Okay, thank you. What'd you say?
Everything is delicious. Everything is seasoned well. Everything is put together well. Like, I can taste the garlic.
Period. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and thanks for watching today's video.